Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 5th. Time is around 8:45 GMT and we will have a look at the S&P 500 futures on the Oanda platform. So, quick update, not much has changed. I think the key points are still that we are doing wave 4 and actually there is not that much space anymore for this wave 4. So this is our wave 4 area. Of course, we can still see some more downside. There is space for more downside on the lower time frame, but like in the higher time frame, it does not look like we can do another corrective leg, something like this: 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 and then again 1 2 3. Of course, yeah, if we start to reverse from here, there is always space, but yeah, if we further drop from here, then this wave 4 scenario gets invalidated, and then we have to look for way more downside, I believe. Then we become in the flat scenario in the higher time frame. I won't discuss the higher time frame today. This is something I will focus on tomorrow or during the weekend. So WXY structure down, and so we are in the reversal areas. These are areas from where we can expect a move up. So although we can see further downside, you should know that we can also start to reverse from here. So if you missed the way down here, I would say here is too late to join the party. Like here you should already have left. Instead, here is where we prepare for a reversal, for a move upside. So if we look at the 1 hour, what we see here is that maybe I will go to the 15 minute, like two scenarios here on the lower time frame. This final wave 5 here could have played out like this, as indicated in red. The low could be in here. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5. This is a possibility. Now, it could also be that it plays out like here in green: 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then here this was the wave 4 area. There is some reaction here, like if this is the I'm sorry, this is the length of the wave 3, then our wave 4 is situated here in the area between the 0.382 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. As you can see, we are reacting from here. So if this is a wave 4, we can indeed not go beyond this level here. So for the bullish case, meaning the low being in here, a violation of this boundary would be good news. For the bearish case, where we make another low here as a fifth wave, respecting this area would be evidence for the fifth leg down right here. So I do not really want to choose between these two scenarios. Like on the really lower time frame, this wave counts can get a bit difficult. I think both scenarios are possible. However, here I measured the two like this wave 1 here and this wave 3, and they are almost the same length, or the wave 3 might even be slightly shorter, but this can also be like a data problem. I had this before, depending on the data source you take, that the wave 3 is slightly shorter or slightly longer. Okay, then what makes me believe that yeah, we can start to reverse from here? First of all, we are in the wave 4 area. We are also here in the equal leg area. If this is our corrective move here as a WXY, if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here we are in the area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension. And this is typically the area where the reaction happens. And then also here on the on the 4 hour, yeah, it looks like, or we might be forming an upward cycle here. So we broke this cycle down. So if we analyze this as a C leg, then it might be that this here was our wave 3, as you can see, the deepest RSI reading. Then we had a wave 5, and then here we have our wave 5 with divergence. And so then from here we can see more upside. So this is also a reversal sign. However, I have to stress, in the daily, we are still clearly bearish. Also in the weekly, we broke this RSI trend line, so we are clearly bearish. But yeah, like here, breaking this RSI trend line for a wave 4, this is normal behavior. Then the point is that we should come back into this area, and that we make another high here with divergence, and that would mean that we have a complete cycle up here, which would then be our wave 1. So yeah, we have to see today and the next days. Do we hold this this area here? We can make one more low. I would not exclude this, but yeah, more generally, we should start to reverse from this area here. If we're not doing this, then we are yeah, getting in a way more bearish scenario. But that's something I will deal with in my higher time frame analysis. That's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.